Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Style Wows. So today's video is a quick festive makeup tutorial for Indian skin tones. So all the festivities are around the corner, and if you are still not ready with your makeup looks, then this is a short, quick, easy, chic and glamorous makeup tutorial which is perfect for Indian skin tones, for warm skin or fair skin, no matter what. So let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with this Forest Essential rose water spray and spritzing it off all over my face. Then I'm moisturizing my face with this Face Shop Rice Moisturizer. With the help of this eyebrow pencil from Sugar, I'm gonna line my eyebrows first and filling in with the short stroke. So I really love this eyebrow pencil because it comes so handy, so easy, and it's very easy to do your eyebrows with the help of this eyebrow pencil. It has a spoolie on the other end which helps in putting your eyebrow hair all together and hence giving you a clean and neat look. Now coming on to this Color Bar face primer, I'll be priming my face so that my makeup sticks on for a long time because it's gonna be a festive makeup. Full day you need to keep your makeup on. So now I'm gonna mix these two shades, which is the orange and beige color from LA Pro Girl Concealer, and I'm gonna make a peach corrector for my skin tone. So I'm applying this under my eyes, around my mouth, and all those places where I need to hide my dark spots or pigmentation, so that my foundation gives me a more flawless base, and I'm gonna blend it really well. Later on I'm gonna take this foundation from L'Oreal. This is the True Match foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm using this buffing brush from Real Technique, and I'm gonna buff my foundation onto my skin really well. Make sure you're blending it so nicely that you can't see any harsh lines on your face. Make sure you're blending your foundation into your hairline as well, otherwise you can see a patchy line on your face that you have applied a foundation, you know. Now this step is totally optional since I need to hide my dark circles more prominently, so I'm going on with the same concealer, the beige color that I used earlier with my orange corrector, and I'm gonna blend it really well. If you don't have heavy dark circles under your eyes, then you can completely skip this step. Now using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer as a primer for my eye makeup, and hence I'm blending this on my eyelids really well so that I can start off with my eye makeup. So before starting my eye makeup, I'm setting my face all over with a loose powder so that nothing creases and everything stays in place. Going in with this You Can Be palette, guys. I'm currently loving this palette. I've taken a lightest brown shade in this palette to as a transition shade for my eyes, and then going in again with the darker shade, a little bit darker than the previous one, and I'll be applying this shade all over my eyelids. So I'm not playing with a lot of colors over here. So you see I've applied this brown shade all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking this darkest brown shade in this palette, and I'll be applying on the outer V using a pencil brush. Now I'm using this color for my outer V so that it intensifies my eyeshadow colors, and I'm building this on my crease line as well so that my crease looks much more defined than it was looking previously. And the same color I'll be taking on my waterline as well. Make sure you're blending the eyeshadows really well so that it looks seamless and very nice. Also guys, I've applied a tinge of golden color on the center of my lids, you know, just to add that festive vibe in it. If you want, you can completely skip, but I just wanted to, and so I did, and it was looking really good. Now going on with this Inglot gel eyeliner, I will be lining my eyes, and I am flicking it out as usual for this festive look. The wing liner gives so much of more drama to your eyes, especially when it's festive time or any sort of function, occasion going on. I think winged liner is something that can completely change your look in no seconds, no matter what. So I've applied a brown kajal on my waterline, and with the help of this precise pencil brush, I'm smudging it off a little bit, taking this golden shade to highlight my inner corners. Now this golden shade is gonna open my eyes like anything. You see the golden is literally popping out, hence creating a nice definition and drama for my eyes. Now taking this mascara from Maybelline, this is the Hyper Cool mascara, I'm gonna add a generous coat of mascara to my lashes so that it just completes my eye look. To highlight my brow bones, I'm going in with this balm highlighter, nothing much fancy. So I'm not contouring my face today, so just to give a little more warmth and definition to my face, I'm using this bronzer to the hollows of my cheeks and defining my jawline with the same, and adding a little pop of color with this pinky peachy blush on the apples of my cheeks. Now to complete the look, I'll be using the balm highlighter, and I'll be highlighting my face. Now guys, literally as soon as I apply the highlighter, I feel that my makeup is completed, because it automatically changes the makeup game altogether to a different notch, trust me. Now for the lips, I have used this pink color. This color is a very cool tone pink, and it's from a brand called Mistine, and I'll be topping it up with this Maybelline glossy lipstick just to add a little bit of gloss. It's festive time and little bit of gloss doesn't hurt. And here's the completed look, guys. This makeup look is really very classy. You can actually create this makeup look during festive time when you have literally very less time to get ready, and still you need to look very much presentable in front of your guests and your relatives and for yourself, obviously. So if you like this look, then please do give it a thumbs up, and also comment below what makeup look do you want me to do next. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Style Wows. Till then, take care, bye.